Now guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use your, one second guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use your windscreen washer on the Mercedes. So you have to press this very hard in, so one click will only wipe it. You have to push in all the way and then it's crazy. Can you see guys? That's how you use your windscreen washer. Thank you very much. Actually I might as well show you all of it. Okay, so one, that is your slow wipe, next wipe, next wipe, that's the highest setting. Yeah. So the first setting is obviously when it is raining, when it senses, that's with the sensor. Next one is your slow setting, medium and highest, and then off is there. And then again you press it to wipe once, you hold it for the spray, there you go. And then this, I think, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's for your back one. Oh, that's good. Oh, this all on that one stock. I'm not used to having a back down there. I'm not used to having a back windscreen wiper or anything, because I've not had one in a while. So yeah, so if you press down, hold it, I believe it'll spray it. Yep. And then you just press it once to wipe it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Good night. Look at the interior, very beautiful.